Hi everybody, how are you? Okay, it's reattachment day, so I thought I'd make a video for you guys to talk about something that when it comes to hair systems, it can be quite problematic. I'm sorry, my cat is very talkative today, so you'll probably hear him throughout the video. So I wouldn't say it's problematic, but it's something that you need to be very specific about and very detailed about and very careful about, which is the hairline. The hairline is where we attach our hair system in our front part of our head, face, whatever you want to call it. So the hairline is very important, especially if you want to have an exposed hairline, which is what I usually do. I wear my hair up, so my hairline is exposed. So it's very important for the hairline to be properly attached or installed. So what I had in mind, what I was taught when it comes to installing your hair system is that you need to measure your hairline by putting 4 fingers. I'm going to remove this even though I hate it. Putting your pinky finger, you call it, above your eyebrow, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 fingers on your forehead without raising your eyebrows, right? And this is where your hairline is supposed to start. So I've been using that system ever since I started wearing hair systems, and usually my hairline is usually rather high, rather far back, and everybody mentions that when they see my pictures, videos, or they see me in person. So the way to properly install your hairline is this way. Okay, I'm going to remove my hat so you guys can see. My hair is really long here on the sides and on the back because of how I'm wearing my hair right now. Even though my current hair system is covering my sides, still the hair is pretty long. I'm going to have a talk with my hairdresser. So in order to locate your front hairline, what you have to do is raise your eyebrows as high as you can without tilting your head back. So I'm going to look at myself. Okay, I'm raising my eyebrows. The problem with this is if you have Botox, you cannot use this system because your forehead wouldn't move. But I haven't had Botox yet, so I can move it. So raise your eyebrows as high as you can. Step number 2 is gently run your fingers up the center of your forehead until you reach the area where soft facial tissue meets the harder tissue. Okay, so raise your eyebrows. You do this with your finger, and this is soft, this is soft. Supposedly it should be there. Then to find the center point, turn your finger to align vertically with your nose. So then what you have to do is you need to mark that point in your forehead with a marker. You need to mark a small center point above your finger. Okay, so let's do this again. I'm going to do this. I don't know. This is soft, this is soft, this is soft, this is hard. I guess this is where mine should begin. I'm guessing, okay? I'm not sure. So what I did, I bought one of these, how do you call it? Eyeliner pencil. So first time I'm doing this, guys, okay? Not kidding. Raise my eyebrows. Move my finger. I think it should be that. This is too high up. This is where the soft tissue connects with the, and let's mark a dot. Jesus, I don't know what I'm doing. I can't see. Okay. Here. That is supposedly is a little bit to the left, but to the left. This is supposedly where my hairline should start, supposedly, because it's too high up for my taste. But maybe that's what my hairline should look like, too high up. And then what you need to do once you find the center point, if you want, you can put your hair system and then start marking like the little dots to make sure that when you're about to do the reattachment, you have the delimitation. I don't know, is that an English word? You have delimited the area where your hair system will be so you can properly attach your scalp protector, which I usually do like woo, and then my forehead is all sticky. So that's supposedly the way it should work. I'm gonna probably try this again in the mirror, and then I'm going to come back with you guys and show you the whole process. I mean, putting on the hair system without the tape, then doing the little dots there to make sure that the proper hairline is marked. So let's try this and see how it works. I'll be right back. Okay guys, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to mark the point in the middle of my forehead, again in front of a mirror, because I think it's easier that way than just doing it in front of my camera. So let's see, I have this, I do the on the middle of my, I think I found the spot, and I can also see it because I see like my skin changes color or something like that, or texture, and that way I can see where this is supposed to be. And I think it's supposed to be, let's do it the other, because I'm right-handed, so let's do it like this, stops there, and I think here should be the point where my hairline should start, which is like 3.5 fingers. So what I'm going to do now, I have a little dot there. I don't know if you can see it. And then I'm going to put my hair system, not install it, like place it on top of my head. Is this recording? Yes. Okay. I'm going to place it on top of my head. I'm going to mark where the hairline should start, which is here. Okay. Then I'm going to put it, like, try to align it and make sure that it's properly placed. I think this should be properly placed. And then I'm going to start marking the contour of the hairline. So I lift this up, and the contour should be, I can make a dot here, another dot here, another dot here, another dot here, and then on the other side I do a dot here, a dot here, and a dot here. Okay, so you see how I marked the dots where the hairline should be placed. Okay, so I'm going to try to use this, which looks a little bit weird, but I'm going to do my best. I'm going to install the hair system, and then I'll be back with you to see what it looks like. Talk to you later. Hi everybody. So it's the following day since I got my hair system reattached using this new technique to find my proper hairline, and this is what it looks like. So it definitely looks like it's lower than it usually is, which is good because it's the effect that I wanted to get. And it's funnily enough, yesterday I was going through YouTube and I saw a video of another YouTube channel where the guy who says he's been working with hair systems for over 25 years says that the way to measure where the hairline is supposed to start is with the famous 4 fingers, but from the brow, not from above the eyebrow. So it should be like this, like from the brow, 4 fingers. So it looks like I did quite well. If it was from 4 fingers from above the eyebrow, then my hair starts before, like it would be like 3.5 fingers, which is what we discussed yesterday with the dot that I did here in the middle of my forehead. So seems like it worked. So for now, I think this is it. This is a good way to measure your hairline instead of the 4 fingers starting from the eyebrow, because it looks better. I think it doesn't, my forehead doesn't look gigantic and it doesn't look bad. It doesn't look unnatural, I think. So thank you guys for watching. Guys. Hope you have a fantastic 2021. Bye.